Hey everyone, Mukul here. So I'm not gone or anything. I've been really busy with the project I received and building a new system. I'm building the system after 7 years or so. So my current system was AMD 8350, which I think I bought around 2013. And now after so many years, I felt the need to really upgrade my system as because of YouTube, I've been doing a lot of rendering. I used to do a lot of 3D renderings, but now it's more regular with YouTube. So I thought, why not get the latest Ryzen 9 series 3900X processor. So coming from the 8350, this processor is going to be a huge upgrade, a huge leap for me. And I bought this motherboard also, the ASUS TUF GAMING X570-PLUS, and this XPG ADATA RAM, which is RGB, and this cabinet. I already have a 1060 amp Zotac graphic card on my system, so I'll be using that, and I am looking out for good deals on M.2 PCI 4.0 storage drives. So I think I'm gonna buy the MP510 from Corsair. I'll start with the 960 GB variant and not above that, and maybe in future I will get its MP600 when the prices drop. So I want to give you all a quick update on where am I, and I've been busy in a wedding and then on the projects I've been getting and my job. So those things have been occupying me for really long, and it was also very tough to get this processor, to find this 3900X in Delhi at least, because all the vendors in Nehru Place and all were trying to sell their motherboard with the processor, which I was not interested in at all. So basically, if I come to tell you from where all I got the stuff, the motherboard was from Kolkata, the processor was from Mumbai, Mech Peripherals, and it was really hard to find this vendor, and he really helped me get a fair price, because almost every other vendor is trying to sell them at an insane price, which I usually don't buy stuff inclusive of any royalty or any stupid inflation price, because it degrades the value for money of that particular product. And then this RAM was the only RAM I could find in Nehru Place, which is 3200 MHz, and it comes with RGB. So I found a pretty decent price and deal for it, because there were some rumors, there is some news going around that Japan and South Korea don't have good relationships right now when it comes to trade, and because of that the RAM prices might increase very soon in the future. And I got this case. I had a older case which was CM692, I believe, and I got this case because of basically it being a totally transparent side panel, but my table currently doesn't have support to put stuff on top of it, so I have to figure that out. I'll be putting a video soon on the overview of this motherboard, and then I'll be assembling the system and making more benchmark videos on it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more similar updates on the setup. This was just a quick update on what I'm doing and where am I. I hope you will find my upcoming videos to be value to you and your friends. So do support the channel. I am very close to 1000 subscribers, and that might enable my monetization from YouTube. So fingers crossed. That's all for today. Mewbot out.